The quality is not good. But did you see that? Did you see that, girls? That was lightning. And I just got a service warning on my phone telling me that there's going to be a severe thunderstorm warning and with 80-mile-per-hour winds. So I thought we could do a little vlog. Maybe, I don't know. If this works out, I don't know. It's currently like 9 something right now. But I'm gonna turn around the camera. As you can see, the thunderstorm is that way. I hope it'll hit us. I actually do, but it's coming towards us. It is coming towards us. Like, I just want to experience it, okay? I don't want it to just go past us. It's gonna last for like 30 minutes maybe, but I don't know. But I think it's kind of cool that we got a service announcement. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ecstatic. I'm excited. Honestly, I really hope it does hit us. It doesn't just graze us. It doesn't just graze us. Do you remember the last time that this happened? You all know. You all know. It literally passed us over that way. It literally passed us over that way. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I hope that doesn't happen. So we're there currently. I don't know. It might hit us, it might not. But I'm gonna go sit on my porch and I'll update with you guys if it like starts to happen or something. Oh, heck nah. The tornado siren is going off. Yeah. That's freaky as frick. Grab Mikey.
Stick this in my pants. Hey, I could play pinball. So what's going on? So what's going on exactly? I don't know. Just play pinball the entire time.
It's over in that direction right now.
Water tower, isn't there? Because I remember there was one at the middle school. Every time they test them, and we were in like, where was it? I don't know. There's one by one of the.
Ooh.
Is that not the first one?
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, it's supposed to expand for like 48 hours or whatever. It's not matches copper, so I just.
I think the tornado sirens are dying.
Oh, I don't think.
I'm looking at the red portion of the cell, which would be considered the more severe portion. Looks like they're just going to be below the severe portion, maybe some heavy rains, but hopefully staying out of the major path.
Investigating. We are investigating. The tornado sirens are off. Let's see. Okay, it's still over there. That was freaky as frick. Oh my gosh. That sent chills down my... I don't know if it's gonna actually hit us. I have to look at the radar again. It said it was going to, but I don't know. So yeah, the tornado sirens are gone. That was so freaky. Oh my gosh. But that was honestly kind of cool too. Not gonna lie. So yeah, right now, nothing is happening. It hasn't rained yet. That's the only thing that happened. That's so crazy that happened after I said that. I'm gonna check the radar to see if it's gonna actually hit us. And I'll be back. Okay, the radar literally says it's already past us. Girl, it has not. It has not rained once. I think it's gonna pass us. I really think it's gonna pass us, which does suck. But maybe it's a good thing. You see, I love severe weather. But I think there does come a point where it gets, like, really creepy. Like, tornadoes I find fascinating. But if a tornado were to ever, like, touch down here, that would be actually terrifying. That would be actually terrifying if a tornado actually, like, came and touched down here. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. And we'll see if it rains or not. I don't know. The siren is back. The siren is back, girls. Grab my essentials.
Yeah, I can do it.
They just posted on their story.
They're ending. That's what it means.
I really don't like that sound. It's so Where's Dolly? Dolly. Oh my gosh, that was good.
The tornado ended. I mean, the tornado siren ended. Mm-hmm.
A tornado spotted officially up by, and of course, as we were mentioning, the most severe appears to be north, but again, coming into here in the next 30 minutes, and parts of the county as well. Over 80 years,
Okay. No way. There's a tornado that touched down. EF5. Play that.
It's the freaking rain crash.
Nothing else. It's a chat to holiday. Not even a single drop of rain. So a tornado like touched down?
No, there's one spotted, but it didn't say
Oh.
anything about.
The audio cut out for some reason. I don't know why, but the tornado siren is going off again for the third time. Love ya. He's scared.
It's okay.
It's okay. He meowed.
29 wind gusts recorded in.
Should we bring in those chairs that's outside?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'll grab them.
Put it on the ground. Not like bring it anywhere, but just. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Careful, there's a stool. And there it goes. That is absolutely terrifying.
Hi, Gary. Hi, Mickey. Hi. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, Mickey. We're gonna be okay, I promise. Maybe.
Or so far away from it, which is kind of crazy. There's no way you can hear thunder.
Girls, we have our first signs of rain. Maybe that's rain. I don't know. It might be wind. What is that? Is that wind or rain? It's wind and rain. Hi, Mikey. Oh my gosh. Where? Oh, power just went off. Oh, power just came back on. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I'm ready to defeat the night. Okay. Okay, we're gonna. Okay.
Tornado.
Tornado.
An eater.
An EF5 nader.
A tornado
Good job.
eater.
It's an EF5 tornado.
Tastes good. It's Mikey in the basket.
You guys want to see? Can you see that? Can you see that? Status update. I think the winds are like calmed down a little bit.
Bye-bye.
Don't. I mean, it sounds fine. Alright. I'll come back to you guys if there's any updates. It seems like it's kind of died down a little bit. It went from tornado weather to just normal severe weather, so we'll see. And hopefully there isn't anything like too major. And maybe you'll just see you in the morning tomorrow. So I'll see if there's any updates, girls. I'll see you. Good morning. Good morning. We survived. We have survived. Nothing else happened last night. Went outside, took a walk. There are some debris, but it's not like house debris. It's like trees falling down. I took a run. I took a run. And we went around this like really forested area, and there were trees everywhere. There were trees down everywhere. Limbs everywhere. So that's most of the damage, but nothing too major. Our house didn't get hit, but so that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much for watching if you did make it to the end, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Love you, girls.